Welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that can transform your life: positive self-talk. That little voice inside your head shapes how you feel, act, and what you achieve. The good news is you can change it. Let's explore how to recognize negative self-talk, challenge it, and replace it with empowering affirmations to help you thrive and shine every day. What is self-talk anyway? It's the ongoing conversation in your mind, the thoughts and messages you tell yourself daily. Some self-talk is helpful, encouraging you to focus and persevere. However, it often happens without you realizing it. Thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I always mess up," are common. These thoughts aren't facts, but patterns your brain learned over time. They can come from past experiences, fears, or even what others have told you. Over time, these negative messages erode your confidence and impact your mood and motivation. But here's the truth: those thoughts don't define you. They are just mental habits that you can retrain. Recognizing self-talk as a habit and not an unchangeable truth is your first step toward gaining control over your mind and your life. Next, become aware of your self-talk patterns. This can be tricky since thoughts happen quickly and automatically. Pay special attention during moments when you feel stressed, upset, or doubtful. Ask yourself, what am I telling myself? Is this thought helping me or holding me back? Writing these thoughts in a journal or notes app can help slow things down and make invisible thoughts visible. Over time, you'll notice patterns. Maybe you're overly critical after making mistakes, or you doubt yourself when trying something new. These patterns often repeat so frequently that they become your default mindset. Noticing these patterns is essential because you can't change what you don't see. Awareness creates the space for choice and change. When you notice a negative thought, challenge it by asking, is this thought 100% true? What evidence supports or disproves it? For example, if you think, "I always fail," recall times when you succeeded or learned something valuable. Remember, mistakes are part of growth, not a reflection of your worth. Negative self-talk often comes from fear rather than facts. Reframe those thoughts with positive statements like, "I am learning and improving," or "I can handle challenges." This practice can help you develop a more compassionate relationship with yourself and lead to a significant shift in your mindset over time. Another powerful tool is positive affirmations, simple, uplifting statements you say to yourself regularly. Examples include, "I am capable," "I deserve happiness," and "I handle challenges with strength and grace." The key is to say these affirmations intentionally, ideally out loud and with feeling. You can write them on sticky notes around your space, set daily reminders on your phone, or repeat them in front of a mirror. Affirmations help retrain your subconscious mind, replacing old negative scripts with new positive beliefs. Over time, this practice boosts your self-esteem, improves your mood, and helps you face life's challenges with confidence. Changing your self-talk takes patience and consistent effort. Make it a daily habit to notice your thoughts, challenge negative ones, and practice affirmations. Consider spending a few minutes each day on journaling, meditation, or quiet reflection to focus on your internal dialogue. Keeping a gratitude journal can also help shift your focus toward positive experiences. Be kind and patient with yourself. Setbacks are normal. Celebrate small wins, as each positive thought strengthens your resilience and helps you recover faster from challenges. As you develop this habit, you'll notice several benefits, including improved mood, reduced stress and anxiety, and increased confidence. It will be easier to face challenges, stay motivated, and maintain healthy relationships. Positive self-talk can also enhance your physical health by lessening the effects of chronic stress. Ultimately, your inner voice can become your greatest ally, supporting you through life's ups and downs, or you can let it be your worst critic, keeping you stuck in those downs. So which do you prefer? Yeah, same here. So it's time for us to stop it. You've got this, so allow yourself only a few moments of wallowing, and then pick yourself up. Stop wallowing in your perceived misery and make yourself happy. That's not to say your problems aren't real, but this world is what we make of it. If you want something, manifest it and make it happen. And that starts with your thoughts. To sum up, pay attention to your self-talk, question negative thoughts, replace them with positive affirmations, and practice daily. You have the power to change your inner voice and transform your life. What's your favorite affirmation or self-talk tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, keep thriving and shining every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and press the notification bell to make sure you don't miss our next video.